We have a beautiful family, Joey. Just because Francis is different doesn't make us bad.
We always wanted a family, Marie. Nobody could take that from us. I love you, Marie.
I love you, Joey.
What are we going to do? How are we going to do this?
Okay, tomorrow I'm going to talk to Father Ryan.
What kind of friends could he possibly want?
Well, maybe Father Ryan knows someone like Francis.
If you want to take him to the priest, okay, but I don't want nothing to do with it. But I don't think it's wise if we go around looking for other retarded kids for him to play with.
Well, why not? Francis wants a friend. He needs to know there's someone else out there like him so that he knows he's okay.
But he's not okay. Francis is different. I don't think it's wise that we look for other retarded kids for him to play with.
Well, why not? Francis wants a friend. He needs to know there's someone else out there like him so that he knows he's okay.
But he's not okay. You want me to say it? He's retarded. There, okay? You happy?
Well, he wouldn't be.
What?
He wouldn't be if you hadn't dropped him on his head when he was 4 months old.
You said you'd never bring that up. You promised.
You're talking about Francis being retarded? You're the one who made him that way.
I don't want to hear this.
Oh, we're talking truth? Oh, this is one of them.
Marie, I'm not alone in this. You're equally to blame.
You're talking about Francis as though he's a thing. Joseph, his love for you is unconditional. You push him away every time he wants to get close to you. Francis has feelings, Joey.
What about...
Francis has feelings just like everybody else.
What about my feelings, Marie? You went for help when it was too late. Don't blame me.
You're talking about our son. Like when he was your age. He's not like you. You make stories in your head about your father, about this great relationship you had with him when you know damn well he was an alcohol abuser. That's a sickness, Joey. Just like your problem.
Don't you analyze me, Marie. We're in this together. You remember that.